lovely people, welcome back to my channel. How are you all? I hope you all fine, enjoying your life. Well, in today's video we are hooking up a beautiful and lovely look crochet baby frocks designs ideas. Where love and yarn comes together, today we are excited to share with you some adorable and easy to make crochet baby frocks designs ideas that are perfect for little ones. Hope so you like this video in different collections, so please watch this video till the end without skip and tell me in comment section which type of new video you want to see in my YouTube channel. I will upload next video about your comment. From sweet and simple to intricate the elegance, we will go a range of designs to inspire you. Whether you are a beginner or an experted crocheter, these baby's frocks are perfect for baby shower, gift or just because. Hope so you like this all the pattern and different collection. We will show you how to create beautiful texture using yarn and different techniques. Plus got tips on how to customize the size, color and embellishment to fit your little one's styles. Add embellishments like button, beads, pearls, stones, applique work, flowers and many more different accessories you use and decor your baby frocks easily. And as a bonus, we will give you a sneak peek into our upcoming tutorial on how to crochet a beautiful texture and beautiful comfortable crochet baby frocks designs and different ideas. Feel free to experiment with different yarn, color and embellishments to make this project unique and special. You can also add a special touch with special personal touch with special message or baby's name. If you want more information about crochet work and knitting work, so please tell me in comment section which type of new video you want to see in my YouTube channel. I will upload next video about your comment. And please like this video and share with your friends, with your relatives, with your customers, with your crochet work experts and others. If you want to buy this, you visit my different websites and like this video and share with your friends, with your relatives, with your customers. If you want any idea, so please like this video. You can make all the ideas with the help of crochet work. You make a very beautiful granny square and attach with each other and make a very beautiful granny square baby's frock. You can add more embellishment and decor your baby frocks easily. See you in the next video. Take care of yourself. Please be share your creativity with us on different social media accounts. Take care. Bye bye.